Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, Tab S7 Plus now up for pre-order in India, price starting at 55,999 rupees. Samsung decided to take on the iPad Pro with the launch of the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus alongside the Galaxy Note 20 series at the start of this month. While it revealed the India prices and kicked off pre-booking for the Note 20 series the very next day, it is today that Samsung has started taking pre-orders for the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus in India. Galaxy Tab S7 series, India price and availability. The Korean giant has announced the retail price of both the Wi-Fi only and 4G variant of the Galaxy Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus in the country. The Wi-Fi only Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 with 128GB built-in storage is the base variant. It has been priced at 55,999 rupees, while the 4G variant with the same amount of storage is priced at 63,999 rupees. As for the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, Samsung has only revealed the price and availability details for the 4G variant. There is currently no word on the Wi-Fi variant. The Galaxy Tab S7 Plus 4G variant with 128GB storage is priced at 79,999 rupees in India. Here's a complete list of the Galaxy Tab S7 variant and their price tags in India. Galaxy Tab S7, Wi-Fi, 55,999 rupees. Galaxy Tab S7, 4G, 63,999 rupees. Galaxy Tab S7, 4G, 79,999 rupees. Both the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus will be available in 3 colorways: Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, and Mystic Silver. The Wi-Fi only variant of the Galaxy Tab S7 will be available to buy at Reliance Retail and Samsung Shop online. The 4G variants will not only be available at offline stores but also popular e-commerce websites such as Amazon and Flipkart. Galaxy Tab S7 series, launch offers. If you are interested in buying the Galaxy Tab S7 or Tab S7 Plus over the iPad Pro, don't forget to check out its complete specs sheet and features right here. Samsung has also announced a myriad of launch offers to further sweeten the deal for customers who pre-order the tablet. You can check out the launch offers right here. Instant discount of 10,000 rupees on the keyboard cover, retail price, 15,999 rupees for Tab S7 and 17,999 rupees for Tab S7 Plus, on pre-ordering the device. HDFC credit and debit cards customers can avail cashback up to 5,000 rupees on the Tab S7 and up to 6,000 rupees on the Tab S7 Plus in India. Avail a special discount of 22.6% on the purchase of Microsoft 365 Family Plan, which is priced at 5,299 rupees. You'll need to pre-book the device before 7th September and activate the plan by 39th September to avail this benefit. So, go ahead and pre-book the Galaxy Tab S7 or Galaxy Tab S7 Plus if you've been eagerly waiting to get your hands on this iPad Pro competitor from Samsung.